Hey, Todd here. So I got the car all loaded up with gear, headed over to Central Oregon Bend to shoot a TV spot for a rock climbing gym. And we're gonna do that, and we're gonna get in some skiing at Mount Bachelor while we're over there. Get a little fun in while we're working. So loading up the car, got the Yakima box up on top, got to put the skis in there, got all the gear in here, fully loaded, ready to rock and roll with that. So finish packing up and then make the drive over. Got about a 2.5 hour drive, 3 hour drive to get there. Shooting all day tomorrow and then skiing on Sunday. All right, we'll get a little behind the scenes stuff going on as well while I'm shooting at this brand new rock climbing gym, bouldering gym. Should be a lot of fun. Okay, gotta get packing. Okay, at the location, got the drone flying right there. Shooting some drone video first. Got the gear spread out. Everything here. Camera's getting ready, just setting up. Getting some drone shots first. And got the R5 on the Ronin up here ready to go. Keep it out of the way so nobody trips on it at the beginning of the day here. And got to get back to flying the drone. Yeah, that's good right like that. And dangle your feet. Okay, that's a wrap on the shoot. Now we're at Smith Rock, finishing out the day here, just checking out some of the sights. And we got here right at sunset, so the sun's going down. We got some beautiful light going on. Great way to end the day of shooting. Back from the shoot at the Jug over in Central Oregon, Redmond. Fun little trip to Smith Rock. Didn't get to go skiing. Kind of a bummer, but it was a holiday weekend and there was going to be a zillion people going there. So I didn't want to wait in line. We didn't want to wait in line all that much and pay the holiday prices. So, but then we come home to 6 inches of snow here. And the super cold. But anyway, roads are icy, snowy, not going into the studio to edit, gonna edit from the house, and I need to get doing that now. Back in the studio, snow's all gone, roads are clear, although my Suburban makes it through any of that weather anyway. Such a great vehicle. But as you could see from behind the scenes shots, I was using 4 different cameras, the Canon C70, my Canon R5 on the Ronin, my DJI Air 2S, and for one shot, the GoPro Hero 10, which was in the locker. I was using my Forza 300Bs in the Forza 60, had those guys up doing a little edge lighting, bouncing off of walls. The lighting in there was pretty good with the LED they had up on the ceiling, which was filling in the whole gym really well. Such a huge space. Gotta have to use some of their lighting anyway, or else you'd be lighting all day to get it to look right. We didn't have that kind of time. So over the weekend, got a quick little social media 15-second teaser video for them to post for the opening that's coming up. And we can take a look at that now. Yeah, so that was just the little teaser video, kind of fun. I shoot stills on most of the jobs I'm shooting. When I'm shooting motion as well, I'm shooting stills just so they can have, just for my own personal liking too, but that gives them something for their website as well. And then I can drop them into the different parts of the videos if I like as also. So that works out really good as well. But I've got to get back to editing. It's much better to edit here at the studio than it is at the house. No distractions of anything, any kind. So I've got to get back to that. And plus I'm setting up for a portrait shoot that I got to do later this afternoon. I got 3 sets going on for that. Oh, and it was great to go to Smith Rock at the end. It's a great climbing place over in Central Oregon, Terrebonne, where a ton of climbers go to rock climb. And it was cool to get there at sunset and do a couple still shots there as well. Great way to end the day. But anyway, I got to get back to editing. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer them. Yeah, thanks for watching again. Until next time, I'm out.